to alums of the program, it sort of uniformly will say that one of the best parts was the visit to Chicago.
I'm really enjoying the in-person aspect of this, and then being in Chicago and seeing that this is, in ways, a medical hub. You know, I don't think I realized that it's the ABMS, the ACGME, the ACCME, AMA, all are within a few blocks of each other.
This is tremendous. It's tremendous to be in Chicago. It's so much better to be in person and to have the opportunity to kind of connect.
We had some really amazing conversations this morning on some really challenging and fun topics. Very quickly, I feel very connected to the other scholars that are here.
I love Chicago. Great to come around the time of St. Patrick's Day and see the green Chicago River and to tour the ABMS offices and some of the other nearby offices. I definitely feel at home here.
So I think this experience here has been a chance to think about medicine on a larger level. So that really was what we had hoped that the ABMS Visiting Scholars Program would do for us, is create collaborations for future initiatives. It's really kind of living up to what I'd hoped it would be, and it's really exciting to be here.